QuYang Marble Carving Factory is located in QuYang, Hebei, China. Our main products included kinds of marble carving sculptures, bronze sculptures, stainless steel sculptures, etc. We are equipped with advanced CNC machine and other new modern equipment to improve work efficiency. We have more than 60 professional masters and 35 workers for hand carving to ensure that every product is completed on time with high quality. We own superb bronze manufacturing process skill. Our bronze sculptures support customization in various sizes and colors. QuYang has thousands of stock sculptures for customers to choose and supports delivery within 7 days. Whether you need any sculpture for indoor like life-size figure statues and fireplace, or any outdoor sculptures like marble fountains, gazebos, animal sculptures, etc., you could choose freely from QuYang. We also support the production of religious sculptures for church projects. Our products support any OEM and ODM order, and there are thousands of models for customers to use as free. Whether it is huge or life-size, better service and better quality is our lifetime goal. QuYang could make CAD or 3D drawings according to your requirements and ensure you are satisfied. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have won a good reputation because of our perfect services, high quality, and competitive prices. QuYang warmly welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate for lifetime.
This is QuYang.
Better quality, better service is our whole life pursuit.
QuYang always here.
Welcome to QuYang.